right, guys, let's go forward 2. Oh, what? Oh, 2. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so this first rapid that we're about to hit is called Powerhouse.
Happy birthday, man!
Thank you, Daniel. I'm glad we're twins and have the same birthday. Yay! We even look the same.
It's your birthday?
Yeah, man, and I get to spin it on the water. So it's not actually my birthday. Oh, that's just the thing raft guys do to each other. That's it. It's not really my birthday. My birthday's in February. I get to go, I get to snowboard on my birthday. But I'd rather walk. So this first rock right here on the left is called Schoolhouse Rock. Right? Okay. Right now we're on, it's probably about 1400 CFS is the level of the water. I came out here in my kayak at 7500. That rock is covered and I try to boof it, right? Like ramp off of it.
Yeah.
I ate so much. Let's go forward 2. A 1 and a 2. Beautiful. Yeah, I wiped out, flipped my raft back over, got back in. As soon as I got back in, the next wave knocked me back over again, so I swam off. Let's go forward 3. 1, 2, and 3. 2 more. 1 and a 2. All right, put your paddles up. Look excited. Woo! Woo! Yeah. And forward 2. 1, a 2. Good work, guys. That was your first cross street. Nice. Nice. So then, BFR, right? We came out once. It rained for 3 days straight. This river got up to 16K, right? BFR is completely undercovered. Can't see BFR at all. Powerhouse turns into a class 5 rapid that ends with this, but it happens so quickly. Let's go forward 3. 1, a 2, and a 3, and forward 2. It happens so quickly that the first move you're doing when you're putting your boat in is figuring out how to get around this giant hole that this rock forms. I've seen it turn trees into mulch. Wow.
Crazy.
Yeah. Let's go forward 2, guys. This next spot is called Full of Water. If you open up your mouth, you'll find out why. Forward 2. And forward 2 more. Oh yeah! Woo! So what made you guys come out here? Like what made you guys decide to come rafting today?
We haven't done it before.
That's
yeah.
Not white water.
Let's go forward 2. I like it though. Never done it before, just wanted to come out.
Yeah.
We need more people like you guys.
It's been a couple years since we've had a vacation.
I gotcha.
Yeah, with all the COVID stuff going
Yeah,
on.
that's fair.
I actually work as a nurse.
Oh, fair.
And I had 2 summers with knee surgery, so it's been shit, man.
Will we pop our boat?
Let's not do it.
That's called Razor Rock. Yeah, I was a chef before the pandemic. Shut my restaurant down, and that's what made me come out here, essentially.
So did you decide to stop doing that altogether, or you just taking a break?
I came back. I basically came out. Let's go forward 2. Came out, realized that like I don't want to go back inside. Like I came outside and I'm like, well, that's about all I can do. So I explored a little bit. I tried being a snowboard and ski instructor, and it just really wasn't, I don't think it's for me. Because it feels more, because I just ended up teaching a lot of kids.
Yeah.
And it felt more like daycare than anything else.
Right.
Let's go forward too, guys. Woo! All right, if you want to press the button on your GoPro now, we're in our first flat water stretch.
Okay.
Unless you want to record it, that's cool too. But yeah, there's not many